So today I'll be showing you how to screen mirror your Samsung phone to your Roku TV. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure your Samsung phone and your Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and that's the only thing you need. Now if they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi, just scroll down from the top of your Samsung phone twice to get to this quick setting tiles, and then look for Smart View. Okay, tap on Smart View, and then it's going to look for devices to screen mirror to, and as you can see, it detects my Roku Express 4K. I'll tap on it, and then this prompt will appear: start mirroring with Smart View. Tap on Start Now, and I should get a prompt on my Roku, as you can see. So it's asking me, this device would like to cast video to your TV. I'll select Allow. Okay, so just press OK on your remote control, and that's it. The screen mirroring should start in a couple of seconds. There you go. So as you can see, my Samsung phone is now mirrored to my Roku TV. Simple as that. You can look at photos, you can watch videos, you can cast whatever I need to cast. It's really that simple. Okay, now in case screen mirroring doesn't seem to be working, then simply do this. Make sure it's enabled on your Roku TV. So from the home screen, just scroll down to Settings, select that. Under Settings, go to System, select that, and then under System, go to Screen Mirroring, select that, and then tap on select Screen Mirroring Mode, and you should see the option between Prompt, Always Allow, and Never Allow. So it has to be set to Prompt. That's when you try to screen mirror, it's going to prompt you to accept or deny. Always Allow basically means you can just screen mirror anytime without requiring to accept or deny. And then if it's set to Never Allow, that means screen mirroring has been disabled. So make sure you select between Always Allow and Prompt. Now personally, I recommend Prompt so that strangers don't have to screen mirror to your Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.